Often when I tell people I'm a book designer, they first look puzzled, and then they say, oh, you design covers. Book design is so much more than covers. Cover is a huge part of it, but there's also a lot to the interior pages, and the interior pages are often more time-consuming than the cover design. So that's why I like to spend some time on the cover, on the interior part of it. When I get a manuscript from an author, it has been professionally edited. That's really a key. Once the writing is done, it needs to go to a professional editor. Then I get it in a format, it's usually in Microsoft Word because people are using a word processing program. It's been double-spaced for the editor. And you'll think about it, it's on an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. Well, most books aren't 8.5 by 11 inches. So it needs to be in a format that works for the printer, and it doesn't just magically happen at the printer, which I think a lot of people think, oh, the printer just takes care of that. Well, the printer, I have had printers come to me and say, would you handle that? So we can do our job, which is printing the print-ready files. So this is an example of a file that I received from an author, and this is from Breakfast in Bridgetown. Great book, 95 Places to Eat Breakfast in the Portland area, and actually I'm going to be giving it away at the end of the workshop as a drawing. I got this from the author, and this he had in bold. This is the name of the restaurant, and this is the category of the restaurant. He'd also put a couple things in italics, the description line and the website line. So I knew that he wanted those figured prominently. And I discuss what the author is looking for and present several options to them. This is the designed version. And you'll notice that there's 2 pages here. This is one page, and this is another page. It's on a 2-page, what we call a spread, 2 facing pages. And you'll note that when you read a book, you're looking at 2 pages. So you want to design a book in spreads, looking at both those pages.